So here's the port number which you have to select. This is a combo box and it automatically fills with the number of ports available on the computer, and you can select the baud rates. At the moment I have put two options in the combo box, 11,500 and 9,600, to configure the port rate. This port configuration is for the ZigBee, and this software can then talk to the ZigBee and give commands. And here are the speeds of the 4 motor. You can select any motor, and there's a timer here at the bottom which is a value sender. So every 1 second it sends 10 values of these motor speeds to the quadcopter, and the quadcopter updates all the motor speeds 10 times a second. And here we have a progress bar which shows the height of the quadcopter from the ground using the ultrasonic sensor, and this works completely. I've tried and tested it, and the height goes from 0 to 200 centimeter, and the green progress bar will show up here how much the height is. And this serial console is just there for me for just testing, because I want to see what the quadcopter is getting and what are the outputs from it, and so that I can reprogram it. Here are some special controls. For example, of course, the kill button. When you click this button, it stops the quadcopter completely, and all the motor speeds are set to 0. And this works. We tried it. We didn't try the flip, circle and dance buttons, and these buttons just send a string to the quadcopter through the ZigBee, and later it can change to Android communication, but for now we are keeping it for ZigBee, so these will inshallah work soon. Here we have a screen for GPS waypoint system. I haven't started on maps and GPS waypoint systems yet, but here we have the leaf motion text boxes and labels to show all the data which the leap motion is sending to the computer. Here we have the palm position, which is in 3 dimensions. It will give us the coordinates in 3 dimensions of the palm, and this is the pitch. This tells us how the palm is raised to eye level or to other distance, and it will give us angle in degrees, and this arrow here will rotate to that angle. This is just for graphical viewing purposes, so that we can see what are the changes, because as we know, the numbers are meaningless unless or until it is visualized. So this is a roll of the palm. For example, we roll the palm like this, and the pitch is like this, and the yaw is this movement. So this is the yaw movement. It also gives the angle, and here we will see the roll. Let's try the application out. So here it's detecting my mobile phone hand, and now it will detect this hand. So you can see when I change this, the pitch arrow is changing. And when I change this is the height. You can see the pitch, the progress bar here is changing. So when I increase, it increases. When I decrease, it decreases according to the Y value in this pitch position. This is the Y value. And the roll, let's test out the roll. This is the roll, and the arrow of the roll changes according to my roll. And this is the yaw, which changes according to my yaw palm position angle. At the moment it's detecting my other arm too, so that's why it's giving it's a little buggy, but I'm working on it. That's it for today.